Hello guys, welcome to the video number 5 of Biotechnology series MCQs. In this video I will discuss another 15 most important questions starting from 61 to 75. So keep watching this video till end for better preparation. Question number 61. For cloning of foreign DNA, it is attached with ORI gene of vector which controls replication, copy number of replicating DNA, both A and B, none of these. So correct answer is option C. ORI gene, which stand for origin of replication, controls the replication as well as copy number of replicating DNA. So correct answer is option C. Question number 62. Which of the following antibiotic resistance genes are used as a selectable marker for E. coli, chloramphenicol, tetracycline, kanamycin, all of these? So correct answer is option D. Tetracycline as well as chloramphenicol and kanamycin all are different antibiotic resistance genes that are used as a selectable marker for E. coli. Question number 63. If alien DNA is introduced using Sol-I in PBR322, then the transformant will grow on ampicillin because it will become resistant to ampicillin. So correct answer is option A. Question number 64. Which factor is used to deliver gene in animal cell? Retroviruses, disarmed retroviruses, Thai plasmids, E. coli. So correct answer is option B. Disarmed retroviruses are used to deliver gene in animal cell. Question number 65. To make bacterium competent or means to make bacteria capable of transformation, we use specific concentration of calcium ion, heat shock at 42 centigrade, both A and B, none of these. So correct answer is option C. Both specific concentration of calcium ions and heat shock at 42 centigrade is useful for making bacteria competent for transformation. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ जाने से पहले मेरी आपसे दरख्वास्त है कि अगर आपने बायोटेक्नोलॉजी की पिछली वीडियोस नहीं देखी तो वो वीडियोस भी देख लें। उनका लिंक मैंने इस वीडियो की डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे रखा है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 66. By which method is recombinant DNA directly placed in nucleus of animal cell? Gene gun or biolistics, heat shock method, calcium chloride, microinjection. So correct answer is option D. By use of microinjection, we can introduce recombinant DNA directly into the nucleus of animal cell. Question number 67. The way to introduce alien DNA into host cell includes disarmed pathogens, biolistic gun or gene gun method, microinjection, all of these. So correct answer is option D. All these three are different ways to introduce the alien DNA into the host cell. Question number 68. Which method is suitable for transferring an alien DNA into a plant cell? Calcium chloride treatment, biolistic or gene gun method, injection method, or heat shock? So correct answer is option B. Biolistic or gene gun is stable for transferring alien DNA into plant cell. Question number 69. In majority of organisms, genetic material is DNA, RNA, messenger RNA, protein. So correct answer is option A. In majority of the organism, genetic material is DNA. Question number 70. Which match is correct for the enzyme which is used to extract the DNA in following organisms? In plant cell, cellulase is used. In fungus, chitinase is used to extract DNA. In bacteria, lysosome is used to extract DNA. Option D, all of correct. So correct answer is option D. All these enzymes and their organisms are correct. So correct answer is option डी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ जाने से पहले मेरी आपसे दरख्वास्त है कि अगर आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर लें और साथ ही मौजूद बेल आइकॉन को भी लाजमी प्रेस कर दें। क्वेश्चन नंबर 71। The purified DNA precipitates after addition of calcium chloride, ether, chilled ethanol, acetic acid. So correct answer is option C. Purified DNA can be precipitated after addition of chilled ethanol. Question number 72. Which is used to check the progression of restriction enzymes digestion? PCR, ROP is a repressor of primer is a protein. Age or acrylamide gel electrophoresis, all of these. So correct answer is option D. All ROP protein, PCR as well as age are used to check the progression of restriction enzyme. Question number 73. PCR stands for polymer chain reaction, polymerase chain reactor, polymerase chain reaction, polymerization, combination and recognition. So correct answer is option C. PCR stands for polymerase chain reaction. Question number 74. PCR include denaturation, annealing, extension, all of these. So correct answer is option D. These are different steps of PCR. So correct answer is option D. Question number 75. 30 cycles of PCR amplified DNA means approximately how many times copied? 1 billion times, 1 million times, 100 times, 1000 times. So correct answer is option A. 30 cycles of PCR amplified DNA is approximately up to 1 billion times copied. So correct answer is option A.